Hello everyone! For today's video, we are going to talk about which Shopify plan is best for clothing brand. Before we start, I would like to remind everyone to like and share this video. And make sure to watch this video until the end so you will not miss a very important details. So let's begin! First, we will identify what is Shopify plan. A Shopify plan refers to a specific subscription package or pricing tier offered by Shopify, popular e-commerce platform. These plans are designed to provide businesses with various features and capabilities to help them set up, manage, and grow their online stores. We have 4 Shopify plans, which are: first, Basic Shopify. This plan is designed for small businesses or individuals who are just starting with their online store. Second is Shopify. This plan is the mid-tier option, and it is suitable for growing businesses with more substantial needs. The third one is Advanced Shopify. This plan is suitable for businesses with high sales volumes or a need for more in-depth analytics. And lastly is Shopify Plus. This plan is ideal for well-established brands with substantial online sales. Next, which Shopify plan is best for clothing brand? The best Shopify plan for a clothing brand depends on the specific needs and goals of your business. Shopify offers several pricing tiers, each with different features and capabilities. We have Shopify plans for clothing brand. First is the basic Shopify. It is a good starting point for a small clothing brand with a limited budget or a brand that's just getting started online. Second one is the Shopify. Shopify is a solid choice for most growing clothing brands. It offers additional features like abandoned cart recovery, which can help boost sales. Third one is the Advanced Shopify. Advanced Shopify is ideal if you have a large and growing catalog of clothing items, or if you need more advanced reporting and shipping options. And lastly is the Shopify Plus. Shopify Plus is a generally reserved for large enterprises with extensive resources and complex needs. In summary, a Shopify plan is a subscription package that provides businesses with the necessary tools and resources to build, operate, and grow their online stores on the Shopify platform. Clothing businesses can select the plan that best suits their needs and can upgrade or change plans as their business evolves. So that would be all for today. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something, and don't forget to like and share our video and our channel. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.